We'll just do a video looking at the wall-sided formula because it does create problems for students to use, and that's the formula written there. And you can see that we have tan squared theta. So I'm just going to show you what I think is a very simple way to do this. I know some of you would probably be able to put all this information into the calculator and get the answer, but if you're unsure, I've written the example here, information, put it into the formula, and you can see that the formula here, this value here, is a separate calculation if you like. So on your calculator, first of all put in tan 23 degrees and get the answer for that. Then press x squared because you're squaring the answer, equals. So now we've got that value. We multiply by 1.8, which is half the BM, equals, and then we add 0.26, equals. Now all that remains is to multiply that by the sine of the 23 degrees, and we get 0.228. So that's a very straightforward way of using the wall-sided formula where you've got this problem with the tan squared theta.